Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make Oats Pakora.
HTC fam, fun and food.
To get started, first let's add the oats in a bowl. Next, corn flour. With the help of spoon, let's mix them together. And for taste, let's add the finely chopped onions, green chillies, carrots, and fresh coriander leaves. And to add taste, let's add Jeera powder, black pepper, little bit of red chilli powder, and this is optional. If you don't like it, you can avoid it. Let's mix them well, and I'm not adding any extra salt because I'm using oats masala and the salt is already in here. And next, let's add eggs to make our pakora more tastier and fluffy. Let's mix it together. Let's mix them well. Now, let's add a little bit of water to make our mixture looks a little bit light, not too thick. Now, let's heat the oil in a pan. And once the oil is hot, you can start frying the pakoras, your mixture. Yes, let's put in slowly, okay? And make sure that your flame is not too high. Keep in a medium flame so as not to get burned. Let's keep flipping over and over. Keep checking them. And let's wait till it's golden brown. See, the pakora is exactly what I wanted. It's totally golden brown. Let's take it out slowly. So let's drain out the excess oil and keep it aside. So guys, our pakora is ready to serve. You can enjoy this recipe as your morning breakfast or for your evening snacks.
I hope you like today's recipe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.